Hello guys, I am back with another tutorial on how to buy or swap the BSW token. So all you're gonna need first is just to have a digital wallet. So in this video I have the MetaMask wallet. Let's say you don't have one, so all you're gonna need to do is just go down below on our channel. You'll find out how to create a MetaMask wallet in our channel down below. So let's say you already have one or you created one. So you're just gonna go here to the coin market cap website. Then you're gonna go to the search button here, then type BSW. After that you press here to the BISWAP, which is the BSW token. Then you go here to the icon of copy address. This icon, if you click here, it will copy the address of BSWAP token on the Binance Smart Chain network. So then after you copy the address, you'll just need to go to the Pancakeswap website. Then you come here in the hover trade section, then press swap. After that, all you need to do first is just to connect your wallet to this website. How you can do that is simply by clicking here at connect wallet, then choose MetaMask. Then it's gonna be connected. Because I already connect my wallet to this website, they didn't ask me to do anything. But if it is your first time, just they will ask you to press next, then connect, which is super simple. Then you'll just need to come here at cake, click at cake, then paste the address that you copied from coin market cap. Then you're gonna just press import. I understand, then import. After that, and after connecting your wallet as well, you'll just need to enter the amount of BNB that you want to swap into your BSW token. So let's say, for example, I have 1 BNB in my wallet. They will give me this amount of BSW token. If I want to swap, all I need to do is just press here at swap. And that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do like the video, please leave a like down below in the comments and do not hesitate to subscribe.